Well, hello everybody. I've been missing a couple of days and I'm sorry about that, but I'm getting ready for my holidays and we've been out and about as well. But I'm back this morning to welcome any new subscribers and to thank you all for your lovely comments. And I'm Bella from RachandBellaCrafts. So I'm here working in my crafty studio today and I've been playing a game with my prayer journal. And well, not playing, I've been making my prayer journal, which is, I have a feeling it's already sold. It's not definite until it's completed, but I have had a request for a prayer journal, so we'll see how that goes. I just want to show you what I've been up to. And I've been playing with stickles. Pearl effect. I don't know where, well, they don't actually say stickles, but they say, and I'm going to hold them up so you can see what they are. And I found them in that lovely art shop that I was in the other day in Lampeter, I think it was, yes. And the first one is cream, the second one is pastel blue, and the third one is pastel pink. All right, and they're Dove Crafts. So that's what I've been using, and I'll show you what I did. I was just playing. Now this one turned out just a little bit scratchy, so I'm not sure about that. I may try a little bit of sandpaper over that or something just to rub it off. But that was because I did it with the tip of this. All right. So I was painting with the tip. So then I thought this morning, well, why not paint with a paintbrush? So that's what I've been doing. I've been painting with this brush, but I've now just found a smaller brush. I'll get my stickles everywhere. And I'll show you what I've been up to. And I'll get my the end of my brush. Now, I don't know whether you get the effect. I've painted here. I painted the doves down here. If I go like that, you'll be able to see the sheen on it. And I've gone over and I've just done brush strokes. So I was taking it off the tip. I was going like this, taking it off the tip there and brushing it on. And then I thought, well, I'm just about to try it on my plate. So I've just put some on my plate and we'll have a go at that in a minute. So I've done some on here, some there with these doves all over the Our Lady, and down here, as I showed you, and on Jesus's robe there. Yeah, I did some there on his little blanket, and that's all I've done on that page. And I did these doves as well. Let me bring them up, and I don't know whether you can actually see the sheen on it, but it is there. The sheen is there. Anyway, that's that. So I'll put those aside for a moment. We may go back to that. And I just wanted you to see, I'm hoping this the stickles haven't dried out on me yet. So I'll show you what I'm doing. So no, we're okay. It's still quite malleable. So where should we start? At the top, I think. And I think I'm going to paint Mary's, I don't know, headdress, I'm going to call it. I'm going to call it headdress. She has got, I'm trying to keep my head out of the way. She has got a crown on there, so I'm not going to, I haven't got gold, but I could do it in my gold paint. But I didn't really want to make these, I want to keep them black and white. So I'm just going to put a little bit down there and a little bit around there. I don't know whether you can see that. I'm working with my head on the side here. And I think what I might do is just go around the edge of Jesus's halo. It's quite thick, these stickles, so, but I was trying to get rid of these, the scratchiness. You can hear it on there, so it will sound, you know, a bit plasticky, I think, but I'm going to try it and see what happens, because it's good to use our stash, isn't it, in different ways, I mean. So that's that on there. I may come back and do Jesus's robe there, I'll see. Let's do these little flowers down here. You can't put loads and loads on because it will get a little bit spiky. That's the word I'm looking for. A little bit spiky. I think I might do this robe here. I hope you can see what I'm doing. So I've had a busy couple of days, but some good news. Cheryl is home, and I would imagine by now that most of you, no, I mustn't interrupt my flow. Most of you have heard that she's home, that write to her, and she's doing okay. So I haven't heard from her today, but I had a long text from her yesterday, and it was so wonderful to hear that she was resting. She was watching the flowers grow out her garden, no doubt listening to the birds, which will do her good. So there we go, that's that. I'm trying not to interrupt my conversation, but on the other hand, I'm here to craft, aren't I? So now you can see that one there. Let me get up a minute. You can see the shine on that one there. And I've just done those there. So I'm just using, finding other ways of using up these things that we have in our stash. And the coloured ones, they were lovely. So I'm going to do another coloured one. I don't know whether you can see that properly. All right. But as I say, that one came out a little bit scratchy. But I think I can remove the scratchiness off that. And hopefully these won't be scratchy now with the brush. So what else can we do? Let's do this. I think it's a cherub. I'm not sure. Got to make sure I don't put my arm on anything. But these are, they can be really sweet, can't they? And I love these prayer cards. And these are by Ruby and Pearl XO, by the way. I always forget the XO on the end. And that's on Etsy. And I've just purchased these today. And they are beautiful, beautiful prayer cards. She's done a beautiful job with them. So as I say, I'm hoping this now won't be spiky. Let me do that little bit in there. And hopefully it will lie flatter than what I did the first time. So that's that one there. That's come out nicely. Trying to see if I've missed any bits. Yeah, there it is. I can see it. Yes, I like that. The lamb is in shadow a bit, so I don't think I'm going to do that. I think what I'm going to do this one down here now. My stickles is getting a little bit lumpy now, but we'll keep going because I don't want to waste it. And I'm not going to put colour on this one. I'm just going to keep going with the, what to me looks like silver. Probably pearl. I don't know whether you can see. I'm trying to get the light to bounce off it, but I don't think I'm succeeding. But we'll have a look properly in a moment. All right. So that's a little bit on there. Let's do this down here. The wings of the angel. Oh, that looks nice. My brush is getting into a bit of a mess, so clean it off a little bit. I hope you're all well and staying fit and healthy, and your families. We're all fine this end, apart from Shaw, who still needs your prayers, I'm afraid. Not well at all. So pray for Rachel and Shaw. We're going away on the weekend to Devon, and he is coming with us. And it would be lovely if he could just relax and enjoy the holiday. And I'm sure the holiday will do him good. So I can only see, no, there's the other one. I couldn't see it for a moment. There it is. It was all blending in. Can you see the wing there? And actually that brings it out quite nicely. There we are. By here. There, I think I just about caught the light then. All right, so that's those. And I'm going to keep going and do some more. But now I'm going to show you what else I've been up to. And I hope you like those. And it was just something different. And I'm going to try the coloured ones as well on some of the coloured ones. Like I did on that one. So let me put those over there a moment to dry. Because 10 to 1 I'll put my hand on it. And spoil it. That's the word. That's what I'm trying to say. So I've just made these... they're envelopes, and I found these in my stash, and I've added the crosses that I stamped, and there's the little scriptures I put on. I don't know whether you can read them. All right, and that's that one, and I've got them in a little, I've cut them out ready, and these are what I've done on my computer, and I've just made those. Rachel is eventually going to put them up into our shop, but we're trying to find a backing suitable for them. I fortunately got some vintage, might be older than that actually, old papers from a church that I've used, and it's absolutely beautiful. It's out of a ledger book. So that was that. So that's that. I've just finished this off. It's getting the right way up, yes. So they're going, let me put that over there. And they're going inside of the journal cover by here. And make sure you're in frame now. I'll move myself back across, I think. There we are. And I was not sure whether I was going to put them on the inside of there, which looks really nice, or whether I'm going to put them, I think I'm going to put them there, but I'm not sure the colours really match this. Might be better with that one. Yeah, I think actually that's good, but the only thing was I wanted them on the outside. Oh, no, that's right. That's it. No, I have got it. That'll still go with that. So if I put that on the... Yes, that'll be fine. So we could glue those in if we wanted to today. But I'm taking my time with this, as I say, because it is for, hopefully for a lady. I won't mention her name because she may not want me to. So that's where I'm at with those. These I thought I was going to show you what I was going to do with these two. And I was going to put one on the front of there. That's how I think I was going to do it. Because I like the little blue with the blue and the pink with the pink. But then I was thinking, should I mix them up? But I do like them like that. So that's where I'm putting those. And then I've got these then to go inside the journal. And as I say, I've got to flatten that off. So that'll be that. And I did make this one. That's a little flip out. And that will go on a page like that. And then it'll just flip out like that. I just got to find, I don't think I've got a small enough scripture to go on that one because I think I used the small one. Let me just check. These were the stamps I used. In case you missed the other, excuse me, stretch in a moment, I'll just bring them over. Got so much on my desk, and I have tidied up a bit this morning because I can't work in a mess, I've got to be honest. So that was those, all right, and this little one. So that's that one, okay, and the others I've used inside. That's the little one I've just shown you. But I don't think I have, I'm going to have to, that would be too big on there, you see. That's too big. So I'm going to have to think about that. And I don't want to make the words any smaller because you won't be able to read them. So maybe I'll have to find, just put one word on there and decide what the word's going to be. So I haven't thought that far yet. No, I haven't got any small enough. So, but these are lovely. They really are lovely. So I'm looking forward to using those. Let me put that back over there. And anyway, that's what I was saying. That's going on the page. So I'll put that back in my little basket. And I'm all ready then to glue these on. So, but I'm not going to do it yet because I need to trim the pages. And my job today now is to do some tea dyeing because I need 4 sheets to go in my box. Sorry, not 4, 6 sheets of coffee dye papers to finish off the, I could just show you inside what I've done at the moment. I'm out of the practice now. You go a couple of days and you forget what you're doing. So so far I put these pages in. That's handmade paper there. And it's got petals in it. This is Nana's Roses kit. That's Rachel's Nana's lace kit from RachandBellaCrafts. This is out of a book that I've got, which I've put somewhere. Where did I put it? This one here, I think it was. And it's Testament of Love. No, it's not that one. Where did I put the book? I don't know. Hiding from me again. I think I put it back up on the shelf. Yeah, I have. I put it back up on the shelf. These are out of a floristry book. It's very old, and so I thought that'd be nice, thinking of church and you know, putting the flowers in the church. That's what was my thinking. This is some lovely music, and there's the flowers again, and that's attached to that at the moment. Oh, I need to glue that, I can see. And then that will flip out. So that's that one. And this is braille paper. And that's that. And I've told you what they are. So that's that one. This is so pretty, this. Really is pretty. So that, and I thought that would go lovely with that. So that's that. The second one, same papers from Nana's Roses from RachandBellaCrafts, that one. This is one I've gone over the top of a music page with some lace. I put some lace that I had over the top of it. I think that's what I did anyway. That's from Rachel's Nana's Lace. Now this one here, we used to have sheets in church that we had the readings on, and I started dyeing them, tea dyeing them, and so I thought, well, I'm going to use it. That's the last piece I've got left now because our new church now, they don't use those, which is a pity. So that's that. That's a beautiful out of the floristry book. So as I say, I've got to do the tea dye-in today, and then we'll have some, and then that'll bring it up to 15 pages in each signature, because this journal will have 2 signatures. Sorry, I'm not with it today, am I? There we are. So they're going in there. That's going in there. That's going in there. They're going on there like so. And that's going on there like so. So I hope you all like it so far. And then I'll be trimming these down. And I shall also be putting, because I think she'll be getting quite fat by the time I've added all the pockets and then perhaps some lace down the edging, I think would be quite nice, but not sticking out too far. I'm not going to make it stick out too far. So there we go. I hope you like it so far, and I will bring you along again tomorrow. So take care of yourselves and have a wonderful day, and God bless you. Bye for now.